While we're all stuck at home, I thought it would be fun to reach out to some of my coworkers and see what they're doing. But to be honest, I'm just nosy and I want to see what their space is like. So first off, I'm gonna call Bianca. She is the newest on the editorial team, also the youngest, and most definitely the hippest. She's into fashion, she dresses really well, and she has a very cool sense of style, so I'm really curious to see her room. Now, she lives at home with her family, so we're gonna get a sneak peek inside her bedroom, which is where she spends the most time these days, hiding from her family. Hi, Bianca.
Hi.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Great. What you been up to?
You know, working, trying to find a way to deal with my family 24/7.
So how many people are in the house?
There's 4 of us, yeah. My parents and then my brother and a dog, so 5, but
Okay.
he, doesn't do much.
But like large home, you have plenty of rooms, I'm sure, to escape, find some privacy.
Yes, yeah. I usually go to my room or like the basement is where I'll go.
That's
Get away
great.
from it.
Hey man,
Yeah.
you got to take your space. Like when I think of you, I think like good fashion, just because you tend to dress up really well, even at the office. But how would you describe your personal style, and how do you feel like that translated to your interior style?
So I think that in terms of my wardrobe, my personal style is very basics oriented. So like a good white t-shirt, denim, like all the basics that you need in a wardrobe. But then I also really like to add pieces that have a bit of like interest to them, or like a romantic flair. I don't know if that makes any sense, but like a blouse with a really pretty sleeve, or a really pretty dress, or like jeans with a cool hem to them, like something that adds some interest to a piece. So I think in terms of the way my room is designed, I think that shines through. We have like the basics. There's like good white bedding that's gonna stand the test of time. And then you have like those neutral pieces, like a cream side table with some wood finishes. But then there's some really cool pieces in my room that add a little bit of texture and interest and flair. So like these little accent pillows, I find really add some interest to the room and some color, because generally my wardrobe is very neutral, black and white, bit of creams here and there, but when I do add color, it's very neutral, not too much, doesn't overpower an outfit. So I feel like there are some touches in my room that translate that, and they're continuous with one another, and it's very fluid.
Yeah, that's exactly what I think when I think of what I've seen you wear. It is like elevated basics. Then you always have that one element that's kind of trendy. You're always the first to bring it up, like the jumpsuit. You brought that into the office, like, oh, that looks.
I don't know if I can say that. I feel like Victoria said to me, she goes, the whole design team, if you make it to the design team when you have a jumpsuit. I was like, oh my God, I just bought a jumpsuit.
I also want to see how Marie Kondo you are. Like, are you that crazy person who has it all tidy?
Like my closet, yes. I am very meticulous about the way I organize my closet. So every few months I'll do a major purge. And I take pride in that, because I have to get rid of things. If it's not organized, then I lose my mind. But my drawers are another story. Every so often I have to go in there and just like fold everything, because like my drawers, I just throw things in there and it's a mess.
It's your space. You can do whatever you want.
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you have like a favorite piece or a favorite detail in your bedroom that we need to see?
I really like, you can't really see it. I can move my screen. I really like my pendant light.
Oh yeah.
I feel like it really makes the room what it is. I enjoy the finish of the wood. I like the shape that it has. It's very like organic, but also very sophisticated, and it's something that you can grow into, and it's not going to be like outlived, I feel. But I really like it. And then in like certain light, like at night, it'll cast like this really cool like light across my whole room, which is really nice.
I feel like lighting, especially a pendant, is so important in a bedroom, and not so much because, you need the ambiance or whatever, but you're literally staring at it as you lay in bed. So it better be attractive. Am I right?
Yeah.
Like it's not just function. It needs to be beautiful. And that one's really cool. I like it.
Yeah, I like it.
Is there anything at this point, now that you've lived in the space for a little bit, anything you would change or you're hoping to add? What's the next step?
I don't know if I would change anything. If I were to add something, I'd probably put a rug underneath my bed, just because I feel like it'll add a bit of warmth and texture to the space, especially in winter. Just like really simple, probably just like a cream rug, just so it fits in with everything else. It doesn't overpower anything. Over the years, I have added that mirror over there from Ikea. And then I have on this wall here, there's like a row of picture frames from Ikea. And every so often I'll go in and change the pictures inside because I get tired of them.
Yeah.
So I just swapped them out a few weeks ago, actually.
Any plans to like paint and just go crazy again?
No. I like this blue. It's actually, it looks white, but my walls are actually a super light blue.
Oh.
So in a certain light, there's like a blue tint to it, which is nice.
Really?
Yeah. So I feel like it's a good subtle color. I don't know, maybe in a few years, if I'm still living at home, I'll decide to switch it up.
Yeah.
Hopefully I'm not.
I want to know if Theo picks your bedroom to sleep in at night.
Yes,
Yeah?
He does. It's so funny. When he was a puppy, he would, at night, like he would travel from room to room.
Aw.
And you'd hear him at night, like walking. But now he's older. He's gonna be 14 this year. So before I go to bed, I'll like end up in my room and just, I don't know, hang out. And you'll see him, he'll like pop his head in the door and like just lie there. And then the rest of the night he's there. He just sleeps.
No, I like your bedroom. I think it's kind of timeless. Like there's absolutely nothing wrong with it. And I like that you still have plenty of wall to keep playing around and try different things that aren't too committal.
Yeah.
I think it's great. I feel like even though you want to move out eventually, this totally suits for now. Like that is a lovely bedroom to be stuck in right now.
For sure. I think like, I don't know if I would, I guess maybe we put some art up there at some point.
Yeah.
I could, but then I don't want to overpower the room.
Yeah, it's super serene, and you've just got those few pieces, whether it's like, you know, you've got like a showstopper for a pendant, and you've got a few patterned pillows. Like it's everything you need to have that quiet space, right? And
exactly.
Especially now, if we're stuck indoors, it's great to have it light and bright, and that's exactly what you have, which is wonderful.
Yeah, it's a good room. I love it.
Well, it was really nice talking to you. So nice to see you.
Yeah.
So nice
You
to
too. I know.
snoop into your
Weird not
space.
seeing you in the office.
I know.
Yeah.
We'll have to check in again soon and some other rooms in your house.
Yeah, sounds good.
Okay, perfect. Well, have a nice week.
You too. Enjoy.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Okay, that was so much fun. Stay tuned because I'm going to bug all the editors to see inside their homes.